Have you memorized hundreds of rules but still freeze in simple conversation? If yes, today's video will change the way you learn English. Because the real problem is not your grammar, the real problem is your psychology. Today, I will show you how your mind blocks your English and how you can break this block and speak confidently. Most English learners think grammar and vocabulary are the key to fluency. But after many years of study, they still struggle. Why? Because schools trained you to be afraid of mistakes, afraid of speaking, afraid of being wrong. You think, translate, and worry before every sentence. This makes your speech slow, stressful, and unnatural. This is not an English problem. This is a psychological problem. Why you feel nervous when speaking? Because your brain has created something called a negative anchor. A negative anchor is when your mind connects English with stress, fear, or embarrassment. Maybe a teacher corrected you loudly. Maybe you felt shy in the class. Maybe you felt a test. But now, every time you try to speak English, your mind automatically gives you the stress. But the good news is, this can be changed. You can break every negative anchor and replace it with a powerful positive one. Imagine feeling excited every time you hear English. Imagine feeling strong, happy, and confident when you speak. You can do this starting today. There are some key points. Point number one, you create your emotions. Actually, emotions do not happen to you. You create them with your body and thoughts. If you hunch your shoulders, look down, think negative thoughts, you feel weak. But if you stand tall, smile big, think of success, you feel powerful. Point number two, peak emotional state. To break the negative anchor, you must create strong positive emotions. So, smile big, lift your chest, raise your hands in the air, jump like you won a prize. Think of your biggest happiness that you have achieved in your life. This is called a peak emotional state. Point number three, connect this emotion to English. While feeling excited, start listening to easy English. Move your body, smile, feel good, repeat every day. This creates a new positive anchor for English. You will start to enjoy English. You will learn faster. You will remember more and more. You will speak better. Your fluency does not start with grammar. Your fluency starts with your mindset. If you change your emotions, you change your English. So today, start building your peak emotional state. Start connecting English with excitement. And if you want more powerful lessons like this, hit like and subscribe and comment. I can speak powerfully.